One of the biggest problems like all of our clients have is that they want a trailer that fits their own garage, right? So this trailer that we built, it's called the Breath Plus. The Breath Plus is a lightweight trailer, so it's only 700 kilogram, guys, so most of the cars can tow it. That's the main thing. And another really important thing of the Breath Plus is that this trailer, it's only 1.8 meters with the roof rack included. So what that means? That means that you can fit it in any garage. And why it's important to store a trailer in your garage? Mainly because when you buy a trailer, you want to always keep it under cover. It's really important if you want to extend the lifespan of your trailer. One of the most important things apart from that of the Breath Plus is that it's ready for free camping, guys. So what that means by that? Come and I will show you. So this trailer, it's fully off-grid. So that means that you don't need to go to any campsite if you don't want to. You can just park it wherever you want, next to a tree, next to the river, next to the ocean, next to the mountain, wherever you want, and just enjoy. So one of the most important things is that it's ready for free camping. So that means that we have solar on the roof, that it's all the time charging the battery. And then of course you have different ways of charging this battery as well. Another great thing that we do in all of our trailers, we give you a DC-DC charger. So what that means? That means that you can charge the battery of the trailer while driving with the battery of your car. So that's incredible. That's very important because you don't just rely on the sun. You can all the time be charging. Apart from that, of course, all of our trailers, you can just plug it to mains power and then you can also charge the battery that way. That's a great thing because you can just use any devices as soon as you are as well at mains power. And then of course the main thing is like it's minimal setup. You don't have to do anything. The only thing you have to do, just open the door and then you can already access to the trailer. You can start enjoying. We provide you with lighting on the exterior. Of course, we do as well double doors that they come with flat screens, so this is great because you can have airflow and you can have lots of ventilation. And of course, as we said, it fits in any garage, so that's really important. And then you have a big bed, so you have it 2 meters by 1.5 meters wide. Then of course, lots of windows, you have flat screens. These one are good for privacy. This one, if you keep open like this, the window, and you close, you can have a lot of airflow. And then of course you have lighting on top, amber lighting that don't attract the bugs or the insects. Then you have of course like reading lights. Here as well you can connect, you have USB and USB-C plugs where you can charge your devices because those are 12 volts, guys. And everything that we do in this trailer is to make it easy for every client because then you can even charge your computer. There you have PowerPoint, so this is great. Over here as well you can put a little book, glass of water, nice fan as well that rotates for airflow. And then of course as soon as you arrive to a campsite, the only thing you have to do, guys, first of all you have as well this table, and then this comes with a 180-degree awning. So this is great because as soon as you go out of the trailer, you have a full area where you can put your camping chairs, you can sit down, you can enjoy, and you can just take your time to relax. And this awning is a 180-degree awning, so it's freestanding. And what that means, it means like one person can set it up by itself, and it takes around 3 minutes. So really nice and simple. And then I will show you the kitchen. This is my favorite part. The only thing you have to do, again, you open like that, and then you have the full kitchen. You have as well lighting for the top, a stainless steel bench, power points, so you can charge your computer, you can plug a coffee machine, a beautiful sink as well built in. And the main thing is like you have lights and you have water because you have 80 liters for fresh water and also 80 liters for gray. So that means that you are fully self-sufficient. You don't need anything or anyone. You can go and manage by yourself. And we love to say this: if you go by yourself, if you want to do short trips, and if you want to store your trailer at home, this is the perfect trailer because we believe that when something is easy, when you can store it at home, so it's just available. You can just decide on a Friday, hey, let's go on a weekend. You just go. You don't have to wait for someone. You don't have to plan or do anything because remember, you are fully self-sufficient. Just find a nice spot that you like. You park your trailer. You have your drinks. Look at this fridge. This fridge is a fridge and freezer, so it's a great size. This is a 50-liter fridge as well. Yeah, it's great if you want to go for 3-4 days. This is more than enough. We believe that less is more. So when something is practical, when something is easy, and when something is light, that means that you will do it more often. And if you do it more often, then you can have really time to relax, to enjoy and really get out there and really disconnect from your daily routine, because everything that we do here is you can take time for yourself, you can take time to disconnect, and you can take time to enjoy with yourself, with your loved ones, or however you want. Thank you for watching.